sensual bachata class. So we talked about quite a bit of things. The very first thing we talked about is our basic. We did a European close embrace, and what that looks like is this, from the back and from the side. Our knees are bent, and we're stepping in place. Big thing to note here is that the connection point is on an angle on the side. My follow still faces me, but I connect at a diagonal. Next thing we talk about is our European open grade. Big difference between the American version, the original. This is the original. I step back. For the European style, I step forward, lead the turn, and we're in super close. It's great on a crowded floor, or if you want to connect into sensual movements really quickly. From here, we talked about the elastico and from the cuddle. And we did a lot of cuddle movements. So from here, in the cuddle, we can do a body roll. We can do isolations. And then we can also do an elastico from here, down, bring it back. My apologies, my footwork, I was doing a variation. So from here, without the variation, and I'm just shifting my weight from the left leg to the right leg to the left leg to the right leg as I'm doing this movement. From here, we talked about our last version, or our last technique, which was the elastico, but from the front. And it's roll your shoulders, roll your shoulders, roll your shoulders, roll the shoulders one more time. Body roll. From here, we're going to do the elastico, lead, step back, and come in. As I'm going down, my weight typically stays in the front leg. There's a little bit of split in the back. I shift that all the way to the front, bring it a little bit back to the front, bring it a little bit back to the back, and then reset, and then we can go back into our basic from here. And that is all.
Thank you so much.
In terms of the demo, we're not going to do a demo because if you watch the first day's demo, we already did a bunch of this stuff. So we were thinking ahead. With that, this was our weekender. Thank you all for coming. We hope you learned a lot.